Happy Monday! Today I have to have my computer. I thought, I hinted in last week's vlog that I will be fixing some stuff for my apartment. So I will be ordering some stuff today so it can arrive later this week or in the beginning of next week. So let's see. Kitchen cabinets are kind of glossy on the outside, so I want to go and buy matte like polish and just paint over that. So let's see. I will link, oh god, it's very light. I will link everything that I use in the description if I can find it, but right now I'm just going for a matte. So is that the one that I have ordered? Yes. Okay, great. I don't know how much I need. Let's go to poster store actually. Poster store. And let's search these. Okie dokie, what more did I have on my list? Frames. Oh yeah, I need to buy. I need to buy these decorative like films that I can put on my little like cleaning closet right beneath here. And I'm gonna like change the way it looks, so I'm gonna buy 2 different type of this like decoration plastic thing. I think it's this one. Like a dark imitation wood, like black imitation. Is this the same article number? Yes. So I'm gonna buy that. Okay, and then I need like this faux grey wood. And then I'm gonna buy like 3 outlets. Boop! And then the last things. I have to go and buy some paint. I'm gonna paint the biggest wall in my living room in this like same kind of like chalk color thing, but in a lighter gray. And I'm going back to youtube.com because that's where I bought the color. I'm gonna buy it in Grey Harmony. Not Green Harmony. Grey Harmony. Because it's gonna be a lighter gray just so I can have like something on me wall. I will link the color and the paint and everything down below just so that you can buy it. Okie dokie, let's just check out and buy everything. My poor wallet is gonna scream, and I think tomorrow I'm gonna start like, painting some stuff. You'll see. I say tomorrow, good night. Good morning, it's Tuesday today and we're gonna paint this little like door frame. I already prepared everything and I put on my little outfit. But I prepared, these are bags, but I'm gonna paint the door frame black, and I think I am also gonna do later today, maybe I will paint the door frame around this one as well as darkening up this door with like a darker, very dark color. I'm gonna show you the same color as the table legs, so that color, yeah. Well, that's the plan today. I don't know, and then I'm gonna tackle, I think during this week I am still going back to the office, so. But I think I'm gonna tackle this little thing as well. black. So yeah, I know it's a very bold color to do, but I don't give a shit. No, I think it will tie up everything nicely. So I brought paint, I brought a brush, I brought a little spatula thing so I can mix it. Let's go. Okay, 2 coats later and it looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh wow, it matches this if it wants to focus. So this matches that and it looks so good. Ooh. So good. No, so 2 coats, that was a lot less coats than I thought. This thing took like 5. I don't know why, but it took 5. So that's painted. Yay! I think I'm gonna do like my toilet and stuff tonight or tomorrow because this is the update for now. I think because I have some time. I bought curtain rods like the longest time ago, and it's been standing behind my curtains, and I kind of want to just, you know, install them, if that makes sense. I have all of this stuff right there. It's from IKEA. It's called Bedside. I will link it down below, of course, as well as everything that I bought. I got so scared. Okay, so I will link the curtain rods, everything that I bought yesterday, and everything that I will buy on IKEA on Saturday. So I will link everything, don't worry. But I think I want to hang that up because I have time. And that my friend can help me with when she comes. So I think I want to do that. Okay, yes, glorious, wow. Okay, so I realized I measured how long I needed it and realized I need another like stick thing. The thing that my curtains hang on. I need 1 more of those, so I have to go and buy that on Saturday, and we will fix this later next week. Oh well. It is what it is. Okay, so what more do we have left? I have to get all my stuff, but it looks like one of the paints that I'm buying will arrive any day now. Or both of my paints will arrive any day now. And then I have my posters and my like decorative plastic thing. So I feel like the gray is going on this and the black is going on the black. So that's the goal. Now I'm gonna eat lunch. Okay, so it's actually 8:30 p.m. and I feel like I kind of want to tackle this thing, but I'm just gonna paint the door frame. I feel like that's like the fastest, less annoying thing. So I'm gonna paint it in black as well because I like it. And yeah, hopefully I will be done before 10. Oh, I'm so tired now. It's 10:15 p.m. and I'm done. 2 layers and it's all really wet, but this is how it looks. Yes. Ooh, both sides. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this thing is just a dark, yeah, I painted both sides. As well as I did this. Ooh. Oh, look at it. Ooh, okay, yeah, I'm way too tired for even existing. Good night. Okay, Saturday, it's 9:30? Yeah, it's 9:30. I got real coffee this time. A very weird outfit and a bag with me. So let's go! Let's go and buy stuff from IKEA! Yay!
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today